Right, so today's challenge is this dent here right on this front wing on this MX-5. It's kind of left a V shape in the front wing. We've got a couple of crowns on the top here which need to be addressed. The problem with this wing is it's a single skin panel, so it's probably the weakest panel on the car. We have to apply quite a lot of pressure to these low areas here because they're quite sharp, so it's going to need quite a lot of force to move this metal, get it moving back out again. But the danger we've got is that if we apply too much pressure to this panel, the edge of this wing can start to distort, and then once that's distorted, the paint can crack underneath, the wing can split, and then we've lost the repair and it will need to go to a body shop. So we've got to be very, very careful with this repair. I've got a few ideas that I might use to try and support the wing while I push it and see if that works. We need to remove the stone guard underneath or loosen it and pull it back so that we can get the right kind of tools in there. Once I've got access in there, I'm probably going to start off with the ultra dent screw on tip bar. I'm not sure what tip to use yet, because if I use something too heavy it could end up distorting the wing. If I use something too small it might leave little pin marks in the panel. So what we'll do, something like this, I'll try a few different tips first, try levering it and see how the metal's moving, and then make my decision. Right, so let's get started. Okay, so the repair's now finished. I'm really happy with the result. It's come out a lot better than I actually thought it would. I thought the metal was actually stretched. There was quite a sharp V shape in this section here. I was concerned that pushing behind would actually distort and stretch the swing even further. I had to use my MacGyver skills on this one. I brought a support rod with me, and I supported it off the wall here and onto the front edge of the wing here. That allowed me to give a lot of force into the dent to bring out some of them really sharp areas. I used the ultra dent screw on tip bar with a medium tip to start with. That helped to bring out the really sharp areas. I then went in with a nylon tip to bring out the rest of the dent. I used my tap down tools to get rid of the crowns at the top. Managed to dress them down and bring them back into the repair. We gave it a flat and a polish to remove any of the surface marks that were there, and I'm really happy with it. I'm really pleased with the result. Well, thanks again everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, it would be great to get a thumbs up. If you want to see and learn how more of these repairs are done using PDR, then please subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified as soon as new videos are available. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I shall answer as many as I can. But for now, we'll see you in the next video.